All right guys, in this quick video, I want to show you how I make a delicious veggie marinade. It's great for grilling your vegetables or veggie kebabs. So the first thing I'm going to do is place some olive oil in my bowl. Olive oil helps the veggies not stick to the grill. It also binds all of the seasoning and the garlic that we love together. Speaking of flavor, I have 3 garlic cloves that I've minced here. You can also grate them, dice them, or use garlic powder, which I'll have in the ingredients below for you how much to use of that. I'm also going to juice a lemon. I love lemon juice with vegetables. It makes them springy, so delicious, nice fresh flavor. So let's juice that. And in my bowl it goes. I'm also adding some Italian seasoning. You can also use fresh herbs here, whatever you have around. Some salt, of course, and pepper. Just going to mix this all around. Now this marinade is ready to go. You can use it to literally in a zip bag and marinate your vegetables, or like I show you in this next video, turn them into skewers and grill them. Grab the ingredients below. See you guys next time.